one day, hopefully, somebody calls me for a TEDx talk. I have managed to complete 90% of the portion that I had planned to do. Now I really have to speed up my speed of learning because otherwise I will not be able to complete the portion. Hi guys and good morning. Finally, I am at home. We actually got one day of a preparatory leave for our exams which are starting from Monday. I'm so happy that I got one day off from college so that I could prepare for the exams well, because when college is there you do not get time to study except before going for postings, which is just like 1.5 hours. Today we're going to take the complete advantage of being at home and we're going to cover as much portion as possible. So it's going to be a long and a productive study day today. I actually woke up late because I slept really well yesterday. I woke up at like 9:30. Now quickly have a breakfast, have chai, wash hair, freshen up, and then I will see. So yeah, let's go and get ready for the day. So I just wanted to come and talk about the plane crash that happened. It just makes me realize one thing, that is that how unpredictable life is. Matlab, anything can happen at any time. So it's just scary. All we can do is that just be grateful and live every moment to its fullest, because you never know what happens tomorrow. So yeah, it's just very, very heartbreaking, and it's very important to realize this, that tomorrow might never come. Yeah, that's what I wanted to share. And yeah, I'm actually wearing a TEDx t-shirt, not because I gave a TEDx talk, which I might one day, hopefully somebody calls me for a TEDx talk and we'll be giving a TEDx talk. But this t-shirt is of my sister's, who is a part of the TEDx team. So yeah, I'm just going to shamelessly like advertise this TEDx t-shirt today on this vlog. And we're now going to get started with the day. I have a couple of things to do before I start studying. I have to check up on the social media ad. I have to make a post, like a poster, and then we make a to-do list for the studies that we're going to do today. And then we start and hit the books. So yeah, let's go.
I think I found a way to keep myself whole. I write my fears on green notes. I swallow my doubts away and watch them grow old. Is that why the past year seems slow? Take me, my heart and my soul. Pick me apart and look inside.
So it's time to take a break. I will probably have lunch now and then do some time pass, and then we come back and study. I was pretty slow right now in the start because I think it's the first session of the day, and that's why I was facing a lot of inertia. Now I really have to speed up my speed of learning, because otherwise I will not be able to complete the portion that I have aimed to complete. For now, let's just have some food, lunch and rest, and then we'll start studying again.
Fill me with dreams I can't hold. Keep me afloat in this cold world. Cold world. Tell me it won't hurt. Now I'm your passenger. The old me won't work. Now I'm your passenger. I'm your passenger.
Okay, so I have an online ballet class to attend right now. So we have started this teachers training every Saturday so that we can keep ourselves, active and improve ourselves in ballet so that we can teach better. So अभी हमारा class है, it's a 1 hour class. So So yeah, I will now see you after like class ends.
Take me, my heart and my soul. Pick me apart and look at.
So I had a nap after my ballet class because I got really tired and I also felt sleepy. I just made my evening chai and I'm gonna have some wafers with that. If you ask me if I like coffee or chai, I would say chai more than coffee because I don't know, I just feel like during exams I crave for chai more than coffee. If I'm at home, I would love to have chai. If I'm going to college, I would like to have a cup of coffee. But in the evening, I would always prefer chai. So you can call me a chai person more than a coffee person. And I love adrak wali chai in the evenings. It's just the best thing ever. So yeah, I'm just gonna have some me time and then we get back to our studies.
I'm your passenger. Now,
So we are back to studying again. I actually took a really long break, so I have very less time to complete the goals that I had in my to-do list. So we will not waste any further time. I am going to start with the knee joint. I have a lot of topics to cover under knee joint, which is like the ligament tear, the meniscus tear, or the total knee replacement. So yeah, without wasting any further time, I'm just going to start studying and then we will have dinner. So let's go.
days that I own, oh, they keep me useful. My head held tall, and I can accept what I lost. Though you make me balanced, you can't make me whole. It won't hurt. Now I'm your passenger. The old me won't work. Now I'm your passenger.
So the day comes to an end. I have managed to complete 90% of the portion that I had planned to do. 10% ऊपर नीचे हमेशा होता है, so it is okay. Overall, I did feel like I studied well. I also do have tomorrow's day to complete the portion, so I think I'll be all good for the exam. But that exam stress is always gonna be there no matter how much you study. So yeah, I think that's it for today's day. I will now be meditating and then journaling in this journal and then just sleep. I'm not gonna read any book today because I feel really sleepy. So yeah, I will end the vlog here. Do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel because it really makes me happy. Take care and I will now see you in my next one. Bye.
Let you be near.
What do you think, guys? Do you think I will ever be called to give a TEDx talk? I don't know. Let's manifest this together. A TEDx talk one day in the future. Fingers crossed. Please pray for me. I would love to give a TEDx talk one day. So let's manifest this together. So please subscribe, guys. I really need your help. Please help me.